Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you very simple and beautiful looking sweet which is prepared with lots of dry fruits and dates. That is dry fruit roll or dry fruit laddu, and most importantly it's sugar free. So let's get started. For preparation of dry fruit laddu or burfi, the ingredients are seedless dates 1 cup and should be in room temperature. I have removed all the seeds from the dates. 50 grams of almonds, 50 grams of kaju, 25 grams of kismis and 25 grams of roasted peanut. If you want to add some pistachios also, you can add. And finally sesame seeds and poppy seeds. Now transfer this to a blender without adding any water. Blend it for 1 to 2 minutes. Blend it gradually. So you can see the texture. This is how it looks. But don't blend it too much like a paste. And keep it aside. Heat up the pan and dry roast the poppy seeds over low to medium heat. Roast it until its rawness goes away, or else it became golden brown color. And transfer to this into the plate. Next, in the same pan, add 1 tablespoon ghee and add roughly chopped nuts in it. This will help in giving nicely nutty texture while you are crunching. Just cook it over medium flame, stirring continuously, but it should not get burnt. Transfer this into a bowl. Once it became golden brown color, in the same used pan, add 1 tablespoon ghee or butter, whichever you want. Once heated the ghee, add the blended dates in it. Cook it on low to medium heat so you can see the dates became softer. Keep cooking it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium to low flame. Now this mixture has become little tender. Now add chopped nuts into it. Mix it well until it mixed well. Add roasted poppy seeds into it and keep some poppy seeds for garnishing at the end. Mixed well until the dry fruits are completely combined with the dates. Keep cooking for some time, but don't overcook it. Now switch off the flame and transfer it into a plate. Keep it aside until it became room temperature. And spread this mixture all over the plate. Make this mixture into the roll and add some poppy seeds on a plate. Keep this roll onto the plate and roll it over the poppy seeds to spread all over the roll. This will look very nicely. And add also some dry fruits also. It will give nice texture to the roll. Now take one aluminium foil and keep this roll onto the aluminium foil and roll this dry fruit dates mixture along with the aluminium foil softly. Slowly and thoroughly roll it and make it like a chocolate. And finally keep this roll into the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Let it cool down. Finally take out this roll from the fridge and cut it into the burfi shape along with the aluminium foil. Slowly you have to cut it. In the place of aluminium foil, you can use butter paper also. Here I am cutting into 1 inch thick slice pieces like shown in the video. And then slowly I am removing the aluminium foil from it. Like this, you have to remove the aluminium foil from all the burfis like this. See the texture of the burfis. Looks so beautiful and yummy with all the dry fruits in it. So if you want to make it as laddu, you can make it as laddu also like this. See the texture of the laddu and burfis also. You can have 1 burfi or 1 laddu per day. It will be enough nutrition to your body. It's really sugar free, healthier and calorie free. So this is my today's recipe. I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon so that you will get all the notification of my videos. Thanks for watching my videos.